Hi everyone, how are you doing? Are you having an amazing day? I'm having an amazing day. Okay, so I did a video. I went live. No, I didn't go live. Let's start this again. Welcome to DN Vlog Live channel. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for the love from the video that came out a couple of days ago. It was a vlog that I did with my daughter. It was called Nigerian Moms Say. So if you've not watched that vlog, you can click on that link that just popped up. I did a collaboration with Adeze Space. So if you don't know her, well, you'll get to know her in that vlog. So yeah, so I talked about me using Amazon. I also did behind the scene videos on YouTube, on just being a content creator, channel reviews. I do channel reviews. I also do mentorship program for people. So if you are not yet a member, if you want to join, please send me a message on Instagram, DN Vlogs Live. Let's get your channel reviewed. Let's get you on that road to success outside of YouTube, outside of everywhere, okay? So contact me. Today I'm talking to you about yet another platform. And this platform, girl, boy, you don't know what's coming. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna bring up my phone because this platform is only on your phone right there. And on your phone is an amazing thing, by the way. We are talking about Amazon Live, how to go live on Amazon. What is Amazon Live? Okay, so if you have ever bought anything on Amazon, you know about Amazon. So usually when you buy things on Amazon, you can also see videos on Amazon, videos that people put out showing how they use the product. That is what is called just Amazon review videos. Those are, you also see some short videos. I have done that before where when I like the lights that I have for my video right now, I like the light so much. So I just did an unboxing and I posted it on their page, Amazon page. Now, if you have a platform, even if you don't have a platform, you can create an Amazon influencer page. When you have an Amazon influencer page, you want to link it to your social media platform. So I have an Amazon influencer page, and my Amazon influencer page is called Discovery Natural, and the website, I'm gonna pop it on the screen. It's amazon.com/shop/Discovery Natural. Now you can make some coins, some money from that. So what you do is you add products that you've used, products that you want to sell, you add it to that your influencer page. You can use, I usually do ad list. So when you go to when you go to your Amazon website, you click on add to list, and that will just add to a list that you've created associated to your Amazon influencer page. So you can read all about the Amazon influencer program by clicking on, I'm going to amazon.com and going to information, the help section. Do a search for Amazon influencer program and you can get more information about that. Now, once you get into the program and once you've been doing things that you're supposed to do, you can now start using Amazon Live. Now, Amazon Live is very easy to use. However, I strongly advise, and I'm going to repeat myself again, I strongly advise that you make sure you have read all the policy, because Amazon's policies are very strict. There's some things that you can say, there's some things that you can do, and there's some things that you can't say and some things that you can't do while you are live on Amazon. As you go live on Amazon, you can also promote products and you can also sell products and make money off of that. So right now I'm going to show you some information about Amazon. So once you get on Amazon, this is what, or Amazon Live, this is what you expect to see. So on Rising Star, the benefits of having a Rising Star is the first level in Amazon Live that you can unlock. And when you unlock it, the way that you unlock it is you have to stream for about 90 minutes. So if you can do 90 minutes in one day, that's good. It gets you quicker to that level, to move on to the next level. Now, I took some time streaming and I finally made Rising Star. So on Rising Star, you'll see that the levels overall for influencers, this is the first level you have for influencers, and this level, the benefits are you are able to stream on Amazon Live app. You are able to share your link to live stream from the Amazon Live creator app and earn commission. So you always earn commission from the sales that you make during your live, and you also have your followers, after they click the follow button on your Amazon page, your followers are eligible to receive notification from the Amazon Shop app when you go live. Your lives are also eligible to be automatically appear on their website. So more eyes on your page, more eyes on your influencer storefront. So after that, the next level is the insider level. Now the insider level, the way that you get to the insider level is, let's learn more. The way that you get to the insider level is you have to have streamed for a particular amount of time. Once you get all the Rising Star benefits, you also get all the Rising Star benefits, and your live streams are eligible to automatically appear with other people. Okay, so your products detail for the first 10 products are featured, and also you have information of the app placement. Now the next level, which is the A star. Now for this A star, you must have streamed for a total of 1,000 minutes and your live stream sales goal. Okay, so you must have sold about 5,000 worth of things or about 100 units of things. This is based on the sales or units sold, whichever is higher. Now the benefits for that I'm going to show you is you get all the Rising Star benefits. You get special access to Amazon Live events. So there are different events that Amazon Live does, so you have opportunity for that. You also have priority support from the Amazon Live creator team. So the team of people, you can ask questions, people can work with you, and your live streams are eligible to appear on all the Rising Star and the insider placement and also the Amazon.com homepage. So this is amazing opportunity for you to help your brand, amazing opportunity for you to grow your brand, and also amazing opportunity for you to make some money. So you have to be active on Amazon Live as you are on your other platform. It seems easy, but there's some precaution that you have to keep note of. How do you go live on Amazon? It's very easy to go live. The first thing you have to do is you have to download the Amazon app. So once you download the Amazon app, then the next thing you do is you open up the Amazon app. Once you open up the Amazon app, then you want to go and you want to click on this button. Okay, there's a button down there. You click the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, I advise you beforehand to also have your thumbnail ready. So you can go in there, you can click add thumbnail, create a thumbnail of something or of a product, something that is enticing. I'm just going through picking something. Okay, let's say I want to do ad about this product. Okay, my battery is low. So what you do is you choose the product you want. Once you choose it, you go in here and you add the product. So I will say yarn needles. Okay, so if I want to talk about yarn needles, once you go here, you can add products that you want to show by clicking the add button. Then you go back. Once the products are added, you see them listed here. You write the title that you want, yarn needles. Okay, one thing you should notice is that when you add titles in there, do not mention time sensitive prices like promotions and discounts, and do not, please, okay, I'm plugging in my phone right now, do not also use the word Amazon Live. Do not use the brand name, and don't put brand names and all that stuff in there. You want to click on save. After you've clicked on save, you want to put your start time, Put a start time to tell people when you're going to go live. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going live. And then I will suggest you do practice mode. What practice mode does is that it allows you to be able to practice going live. Okay, so it will allow you to go practice that. If you have a promo code, you can add a promo code. Then you want to share your live stream, and then you can do preview and go live. I will suggest to you that you schedule your lives to give you enough time to kind of build up the momentum of telling people you're going to go live. When you are going live, make sure the lighting is good. The lighting quality also highly depends on your phone. If you have a good phone with good lighting, then you do very well. I've had instances where I have my ring light, I have everything, and the lighting is crap. Make sure that the products you put there, if they're not eligible to be promoted on the Amazon Live, it will pop up and say it's not eligible. For example, I was going to go live and show you how to make apple cider vinegar, and I couldn't use my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, so I had to switch the live and do something else. So that is it. It's very simple to go live. Be engaging. While you're live, you can chat with people. You can click on each of the products that you are talking about. You can show the product. You can do so many things. So that is pretty much how to go live on Amazon Live. If you've ever gone live on Amazon Live, I want to know, what is your experience going live? You might say, what are the requirements? Please, requirements changes all the time. So I highly suggest that you go on Amazon and you read more information about the policies. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please check out all the links down below, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.